Welcome back to Mark's Racing Engines, Mark and Misty's Performance. Today, we're going to fix a misfire on a 5.3 Chevrolet pickup. This happens to be my stepdad's truck, but I thought it'd make good content. I have scanned the truck. We do know it's misfiring on cylinder number 7, but we don't know if it's an injector, a coil pack, or a spark plug. So we're going to find out right now. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is check for spark and make sure the coil pack's not bad. We're going to use this little inexpensive spark tester. You can get this at I think you can get these at Harbor Freight. They sell them everywhere. O'Reilly's, whatever. Anyway, this plugs into the spark plug. This plugs in the spark plug wire, and if it fires, it'll light up right here. So we're going to put this on, and we're going to see if the coil pack's working first, and then we will investigate further. So now we know it's cylinder number 7. I've already got the plug wire off, so now we're going to put our little tester on there. We're going to start the truck and see if we have sparkles. So, of course, it's always the worst one to get to. Okay, we have that on there. Now we just need to put spark plug wire on here, like so, and then we can start the truck. See if we have sparkles or coil pack fire. As you can see, we got sparkles. It's firing, so we move on to the next step. So now we're going to pull the spark plug out, see what condition it's in. Pull that off. Pull this off. Okay. Hopefully somebody put the anti-CCCs in there. So the spark plug will come out. Yeah. Come on. Get on there. Get on there. Ooh. That don't feel good. Okay. Getting too old for this. Okay. Uh-oh. Well, it ain't no good now. I dropped it.
Dumbass alert. Dumbass alert.
This truck has a oil leak. And it appears that this spark plug, and yeah, I dropped it, but you can see part of it's missing. I don't know if it's in the camera or not. Part of it is missing. That would explain a lot. So, we'll go get a spark plug and we'll be back. Okay, so we got us a sparkulator out of another LS motor. I'm going to put this in there to make sure. If this is the case, then we're just going to change all the plugs, but they probably need to be changed anyway. But just to test, we're going to put this one back in it. And, God, getting fat sucks. Also, if you don't have one, get you one of these little gizwitchets right here. They're great. If you don't have one of these, get a piece of hose. Makes it easier to put the spark plug back in. Especially when you're in a confined area like this. And you're old and fat. You have to stand on a bucket to do anything. Got him started. I'm going to screw it all the way in as far as I can. Okay. Where did I put my ratchet? Found it. Golly, these spark plugs are long, isn't it? Okay. Call it good. Trying to find the little devil. Okay, so now we're going to start it. See how she runs. Oh. And just like that, purring like a kitten. So now we got it running good. That's all it was. It's just a spark plug. That simple. Simple video. Most of y'all know all this, but hey, somebody might be troubleshooting one. Anyway, that's going to do it for this edition of the Mark and Misty's Performance Show. Happy Thanksgiving. Peace out.